what's going on, Scooterheads? It's me again, Lolo, and another video for you guys. So, here, I'm gonna show you a video. Of course, you guys already read the title, but we're gonna be changing the lights for this dashboard. If your lights currently look like this, and this is the part where I make a video over this video, I'm gonna attempt. I'm not a very good editor, but it should be appearing a video of your normal lights or this one's turning on. We're gonna be changing them. I'm gonna change them to purple just because I like purple and I don't care what you guys say. But there's variations and different colors that you guys can change them to. I'm just gonna show you the how, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, for tools, this is all we're gonna need. I have my LEDs right here that I'm going to install. Let me get them out here for you. You guys can see them, and there goes one of my screwdrivers. But all we're gonna need is your LEDs and a Phillips screwdriver. I have two different sizes. One over there, now on the ground, and I have this one right here. So that's pretty much all you're gonna need. Now let me show you which ones are you gonna take off, which screws are you gonna take off, and also which clips need to come off. And that's pretty much it. Okay guys, so here looking at our body, we're gonna have only 5 screws to take off and 2 clips. One of the screws is going to be right here, right there. And then there's going to be 2 screws, 2 on each side, underneath on this area, 2 on this side. And there's going to be 2 clips. That is what it holds this top part to the bottom right here. And this, of course, right here. And the clips are right there and right here. I have a flashlight right here. Let me see if I can flash it so you guys can see how it looks, but there you go. There's the clip right there. If I move the light, you see them right there. So with a flat screwdriver, you can actually, it will be a little bit easier to take them off. It's getting out of focus, sorry. But with a flat screwdriver, you guys can take it off. I also did another video on how to change your headlight, and I explain it. I go a little deeper into that. So go watch that video. If you're scared about these clips right here, go watch that video and it will be right there. But it's really simple, right? So that's pretty much it to be able to take it off and then get to our LED lights right here. So let me go ahead and start doing it so I can show you how they're gonna look, and let's get started. Okay guys, for your LEDs, there's 2 that we're gonna change. If you look at it from the top, I mean 4 of them you can actually make sense, right? You have the engine light, you have both your turn signals, and you have a high beam, right? I'm not gonna change those because I want them to stay the same color to be different from what I'm gonna be doing. If you look at it from the bottom, there's gonna be 2 more. One in this area right here above the speedometer, the mile counter, so right here where the speedometer is, and another one right underneath where the genuine logo is at. So those are the 2 that you are going to be changing. Now, depending on your LEDs, there can be polarized, right? So it can be, if it doesn't turn on when you first put it on, just twist it 180 degrees and it's gonna be working on. So I just went ahead, and there's one right here, which mine are loose, right? I already put them on. I just wanted to show you guys, and I'll probably do a drawing for you guys so you guys can see it. And I'll leave it on the description, the link right there on the description of the picture. But yeah, there's only 2. So you're gonna see 2, 4, 6 lights. So these two in the middle are the ones that you're gonna change. And that's pretty much it. So let me go ahead and install it. And let's wait for it to get a little bit darker and I'll show you guys how it looks. So see you guys.